Hi, I'm Fahad, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about one of the most wanted features of Invoices that HighLevel has released. You can now collect partial payments through Invoices. So basically, users can now set a minimum percentage of the total invoice amount to be collected from the end customer. The customer can pay any amount that is equal to or greater than the percentage amount specified from the invoicing dashboard of the sub account. And with this feature, basically you have more control and greater flexibility over the payment plans for your customers. So now let's have a look on how you can enable this mode. So what you need to do is you have to click on the payments option here on the dashboard, and in here when you get to the invoices section, and in here you can click on this gear icon right over here, and when you open this you can see the payment settings. So click on this option, and this is where you will see this option where it says allow partial payments. So you just have to enable this toggle, and you have to choose the minimum percentage amount that you want to collect each time in the invoices. So basically, right now it's 25. So which means that if you send an invoice of $1,000 to your customer, they can pay at least $250 or more, whichever amount they use. So, but at least they need to pay 250. So that's what this option does, and then you simply have to click the save option, and that's it. That's what you need to do to turn on the partial payments for invoices. Every time you send an invoice, they will have this option automatically. And in case of recurring invoices, the partial payment option is only available for the first invoice. But if you want all the invoices to have the partial payment option available, then you need to turn off the auto payment option for the recurring invoices. Moreover, you also have to make sure that a payment gateway is connected in your account, whether that can be Stripe, Authorize.net, or NMI. So that's all that you need to know for partial payments. Subscribe now for more tutorials, updates, and tips. Thank you.